I've always had a bridge across here. I broke my tooth when I was 12 and slipping in a swimming pool. And every once in a while the bridge would break, and as it happened, it was a Sunday night, we were eating corn of all things, and I heard this snap and the bridge had broken. So I actually looked through the yellow pages looking for an emergency dentist, and I called several, and the only one that responded was Sheri. Sheri built a temporary bridge that I could wear so that nobody would know that I was missing teeth. It did the job, nobody could tell, but I'm much happier having these in because they're permanent and they're very comfortable. I like the idea of the implants being much more permanent solution. They were implanted right into the jaw. It feels very much more stable, more secure. I don't even realize I've got implants in there. It just feels like my own teeth at this point in time. They match the color of my teeth to my other teeth so it doesn't stick out glaring. Yeah, it's just very comfortable.